Hey guys, how's everybody doing? This is Sandra, and I wanted to talk about something that I'm sure everyone and all of you have noticed this going on, not only just this year, but last year too, the year before. Businesses are closing. You know, a couple of weeks ago I found out about Payless closing all of its stores, all 2,100 U.S. stores, and they will not have an online store as either. No more online stores. So Payless is going, you know, and it's just shocking to me in a way that these stores are closing. I've had a Chinese restaurant close in my neighborhood, and I was shocked about that because I've never seen a Chinese restaurant close. You know, Dwayne Reed in my neighborhood closed. There are still Dwayne Reeds that are open, but the one that was near my house closed. I mean, I can walk to another one. And it's just that, you know, a lot of places are just, the businesses are just going. And it's the rent and the bills and everything that's accumulated together that's causing these people to just shut down, you know. Even Toys R Us is going. Is gone, but I've heard that they are going to open back up under a new owner and a different name. But at least it's going to be back open, you know. But the reason why I bring these things up is because now is the time to have your own business, you know, your own online business. Even if you have a job, one job is not enough. You know, the way things are these days, everything is expensive. Everything is going up. Food is going up. You have to have more than one job, more than one income, okay? In case something happens to one, what if something happens to your job? If something happens to your job, you won't have nothing, right? You need to have something, another income, just in case. So I'm doing this video today because it's been on my mind to talk about online business. And another reason why you should have an online business is because the tax benefits are good. You can write off the stuff that you use in your house. There's a lot of reasons why you should have an online business, but the main reason is for financial reasons. You don't want to get caught out there without a job. Jobs are not, you cannot depend on a job these days. They're not dependable. An online business can go out of business too, but most of them are around for a while. And it's good to have more than one of those also. It's good to just have multiple income streams. But anyway, I'm not going to make this a long video. I just wanted to share about Payless. I'm sure you've heard about it. If you haven't, then now you know. But I've known for a couple of weeks, but I just wanted to bring it up because it's shocking to see these stores go. And it's time for us to open up, wake up, have an open mind now of having your own business. So if you're interested in what I'm doing, I'll leave the link below. I will leave the link to this article below too if you want to read it. And thank you for watching, and have a good day. And remember, you must hustle. See you next video. Bye-bye.